Hi to everyone, dear delegates and my dear friends and my dear students. Hi to everyone. So myself, I am senior lecturer in mathematics, Government Polytechnic Warangal. In previous class, we learned about the definite integrals, how to solve the definite integrals using the formulas within the limits, and then another video we will discuss about the properties of definite integrals. How to use the properties, how can you easily solve the differential equations. So, definite integrals. So, we learned in the previous classes. So, in this session, we have discussed about the areas under the plan curves. One, about the x-axis, about the y-axis. We have to learn how to find the region of the area. Okay, so I, before I am going to start my session, we have to some give important formulas. So integration of x to the power of n formula already well known. So integration of x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And integration of root x. Integration of root x can be same solved in the same process. X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. And integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So some important formulas useful in this session. So today objectives are on completion. We want to complete this in this period. See here, find the area included by the curve y is equal to f of x about the x-axis within the limit x equal to a and x equal to b. X equal to a, x equal to b limits is given. We want to find the using this curve equation. We want to find the region of this curve. Okay, so the second formula is find the area bounded by the curve x equal to f of y. This is about the y-axis and the y-axis, and the lines are given y is equal to c and y is equal to d. We have to find the region of the curve x equal to f of y within the limits y is equal to c and y equal to b. Okay. In the first property, we have to find the region of the curve y is equal to f of x about the x-axis within the limits x equal to a and x equal to b. So these are the two important formulas we have discussed in the session. Using these two formulas, we have to solve some important problems. So first we have to find the region of the curve. How to find the region of the curve? I will explain now. So the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, the x-axis and the lines x equal to a and x equal to b. Here is given the curve y is equal to f of x about the x-axis, and the lines also given x equal to a and x equal to b. We have to find the region of this curve within the limit x equal to a, x equal to b about the x-axis. So see the formula, integral over a to b f of x dx or integral over a to b y dx. Here f of x is replaced by y. Okay, so the related figure looks like the following. So already we discussed this formula. How to find the formula? See the figure diagram. See here, you will draw the xy coordinates and want to draw another line which is parallel to the y-axis on the x-axis at x equal to a point. At x equal to a point on the x-axis, draw one line which is parallel to y-axis, and another line draw at x equal to b on the x-axis which is parallel to y-axis, and y is equal to f of x curve draw like this. So now you want to find the region uh, within the limits x equal to a, x equal to b under the curve. So this is the region we want to calculate. So how to calculate this region? So is this curve is given, integrate, we want to integrate to this curve within the limit x equal to a and x equal to b, then we will get this curve. So already in previous class we discussed about this integration. So see one problem. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and x equal to a, and the lines x equal to 2 and x equal to 5. So this is the problem. So here is given curve is y is equal to x square is given, and the limits also given x equal to 2 and x equal to 5 about the x-axis. Okay, the solution of the required curve is, we have to find the region of this curve. The required area is equal to a to b integral over a to b y dx. Already we discussed before of this problem, before going to teach this problem. So now here y is equal to x square from the problem, you can write here. So within the limits 2 to 5, limits also there. Here given the required lines and the x-axis which is parallel to y-axis are given. So now integration of x square, which is in the form of x to the power of n formula. Already you know this formula, we will discuss in the first class. The x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So using that formula, you have to solve this integral over 2 to 5 x square dx. So using that formula, you will get x cube by 3. X to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. You will get x cube by 3. So integration is completed. Now we want to substitute the limits 2 to 5 in this term. So here, first we want to substitute the upper limit in this equation. Then after substitute the lower limit of the curve. So already you know this formula, integral over a to b f of x dx is equal to f of upper limit minus f of lower limit. So first we have to substitute the upper limit, then after lower limit. See here. So here 1 by 3 is taken common. Then after substituting the upper limit here, we get 5 cube minus, then after substituting the lower limit 2 here, x is replaced by 2, then we get 2 cube. So already you know what is the 5 cube? 125. And what is the 2 cube? 8. So 125 minus 8 is equal to, so after simplification of this term, we will get 117 by 3. So after division, we will get 39 square units. 39 square units. Here also, here units also required. So we have to find the area. So then the units of this solution is square units. We are finding the area. That's why we are putting here square units. So units may be centimeters, maybe meters, etc. So this is the required solution. So the area of the region of the curve y is equal to x square is bounded by the limits lines x equal to 2 and x equal to 5. Then we have to get the required solution 39 square units. So is it clear? I hope you are understood. So I want to tell another problem. So see one second problem. Find the area of the region between the curve y square is equal to 4x and x equal to 3 in first quadrant. So see this problem. Here is given the curve, required curve value is given, y square is equal to 4x, and limit is given x equal to 3. So we want to find the another limit. So here hint is given in first quadrant. So you have to draw the diagram in first quadrant, then you will get the other limit also. So see here, so the solution, the required area capital A is equal to integral over a to b y dx. Here y value is given. We have to find the integral over a to b y dx. See this figure. So we have to, using this first quadrant, draw this curve. So this is the equation of y square is equal to 4x is parabola, which is lies on the x-axis. The axis of parabola is given x-axis. So we have to draw on the x-axis only. So next we have to find the region within the limit in the first quadrant, this one. So we have to find that this region, this region of the area. So the curve is y square is equal to 4x. We have to write here y value. Therefore, y is equal to root 4x. Therefore, 2 into root x. Here, 2 into root x. So now it is ready to integrate. So here, integration of root x dx is there. So now this root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. So this root can be written as power of 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2. So now this is in the form of x to the power of n. Already you know this formula, integration of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 plus 1. Using that formula, we have to calculate this integration. See here. So here x to the power of n formula, x to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2. The denominator also we have 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, which can be interchanged 2 by 3. Okay. So now integration is completed. So we have to substitute the limits 0 to 3. First, we have to substitute the limit, upper limit 3 in this x variable. Then after substitute, the lower limit is 0. See once. So here is 2 into 2, 4, and by 3 also there. So now substitute here 3. So 3 to the power of 3 by 2 is there. Then lower limit is, you will put here 0 completely. This lower limit is 0 to the power of 3 by 2 is also 0. You will get only x to the power of 3 to the power of 3 by 2. 3 to the power of 3 by 2 is nothing but, so you will separate the root 1 by 2 term. That means 3 cube to the power of 1 by 2. 3 cube to the power of 1 by 2. After cancellation of 3 and root 9, then you will get 3 cube means root. So here substitute the value 3, you will get 3 cube to the power of 1 by 2. 3 cube is nothing but 27. 27 to the power of 1 by 2 is, it can be written as 3 into root 3. 3 into root 3. So here 3 get cancelled, then you will get root 3. So the required area capital A is 4 root 3. We have to find the area. So we have to write here the limits also, square units. So this is the required solution of the given curve. Y square is equal to 4ax within the limits x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. So this is the required area, which is lies in the limits x equal to 0 and x equal to 3 in the first quadrant. Okay, is this clear? I hope you are understood. Next, the area bounded by the curve x equal to f of y, the y-axis and the lines y is equal to c and y is equal to d is given by a. So before going to this topic, we have learned in the before of this one. So which is y is equal to f of x. That means the curves the curve is above the x-axis we have to find. Here the curve above the y-axis we have to find now. So here the area of the curve A is capital A is equal to integral over C2d x dy is equal to integral C over C2d f of y dy. Here x is equal to f of y from the given given equation. So see here the related figure of this curve is following this here. So we have to draw lines at y is equal to c on the y-axis, which is parallel to x-axis, and y equal to d on the y-axis. You will draw one line and which is parallel to x-axis. Then after draw this curve, y is equal x equal to f of y. So this enclosed area is this region is the required solution of the given curve. So see one problem. Find the area bounded by the parabola. Find the area bounded by the parabola x equal to 8 plus 2y minus y square, comma, the x-axis and the lines y is equal to the y-axis and the lines y is equal to minus 1, comma, y is equal to 3. So here is given the curve x is equal to 8 plus 2y minus y square is given. We have to find the under the limits y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 3. Within the limits, we have to find the area of this curve. So the required area of formula is there, integral over c2d x dy, which is the required formula. So see this one. So here x value is given from the given problem, x equal to 8 plus 2y minus y square. This is the x value, substitute here. So now integrate this one. So it is ready to integrate. So see here. So integration of 8 is constant, take common. Then integration of 1 dx is y. So 8 into y is 8y. So here is 2 is constant. Integrate this y value. Then you will get x to the power of n. Using the x to the power of n formula, then you will get y square by 2. Minus, use the same formula here, x to the power of n. Then you will get this one, y cube by 3. So now integration is completed. Okay, next we have to substitute the limits, upper limit 3, then after substitute lower limit minus 1 in the given solution. So you see here, you have to substitute the upper limit in this equation. So 8 here y is replaced by 3. 3 4s are 3 8s are 24. Then substitute 3 value. 3 square is 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 by 2 is 9. You will get 9 here. And the another term will substitute here 3. 3 cube, you will get 27. 27 by 3 is 9. So that's why you are writing here 9. So upper limit is completed. Then after substitute lower limit, similarly you will get this one also. So simply after simplification of this one, you will get here 9 get cancelled. You will get 24, and the lower limit is minus 21 plus 1 by 3. After simplification, you will get this one. So then simplify this one, then you will get 93 by 3 square units. This is the required equation of the given curve within the limits c is equal to minus 1 and d equal to minus 3 of the given curve. So we have to find like this of given any problem. So this is about the y-axis. Before problem is about the x-axis. Right. Next. Today in this session, what we have to learn, we will discuss once again. So the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, the x-axis and the lines x equal to a and x equal to b is integral over a to b y dx. This is the formula for area. About the x-axis, here is given x limits. So we will discuss today's session, this one also. So another one is the area bounded by the curve x equal to f of y and y is y-axis and the lines y is equal to c and y is equal to d. So is integral over c to d x dy. This is here is limits also given. The limits of the y-axis is given. Y is equal to c and y equal to d. So about the y-axis. So there are two formulas are there. First one is about the x-axis and second one is about the y-axis. Okay. So next. So some problems you will see in previous examination. See here. Find the area of the ellipse is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So it is came in October 2004 paper. Okay, and also you will get in another examination also. So another problem. So the answer is pi ab square units. We will solve this one. You will get this required solution. So next problem is find the area enclosed between the curve y square is equal to 8x, comma, y-axis and the lines y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. So between the y is equal to 2 and y equal to 6 limits, we have to solve the curve y square is equal to 8x. Then you will get the required solution. The solution is 26 by 3 square units. So this will came in April 2001. Okay. So today quiz is, I want to give you one quiz also. What is the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, the x-axis and the lines x equal to a and x equal to b. Between the lines x equal to a and x equal to b above the x-axis, you have to find the area of the, you have to write the formula for y is equal to f of x. See here, option A is given integral over a to b f of x dx, or here f of x is replaced by y, integral over a to b y dx. And second option is B, integral over c to d f of y dy, or integral over c to d x dy. So already we have discussed in this first starting session. Okay, next another problem is there. What is the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of y, the y-axis and the lines y is equal to c and y is equal to d. Okay, so y is equal to c. In the limits y is equal to c and y equal to d, we have to write the formula for x equal to f of y about the y-axis. So I am given here options. The first option is integral over a to b f of x dx. So this can be written as integral over a to b y dx. Here f of x is replaced by y. The option B is integral over c to d f of y dy, or integral over c to d x dy. Here f of y is replaced by y. So in these two options, which is the required solution? You know, already you know. Okay. So next, today's assignment, we have to solve this problem. So look at here. Find the area between the curves. Find the area between the curves on y is equal to x square minus x plus 1. The x-axis and the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. So this is the very important problem. Y is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So another problem is there. Find the area enclosed by the curve, enclosed by the x-axis and the curves y is equal to 4 plus cos x and the lines x equal to a and x equal to 2 pi. So the third problem is there. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the x-axis and the lines are given x equal to 4. Only one line is given. Okay, this type problem we will solve in this session. Already we solved in this session. So next problem is find the area bounded by the curve x is equal to 4 minus y square and the curve y and the y-axis. So these are the problems we have to solve. So thank you everybody. So already we know how to solve the area of the given curve, So in this session we will learn one curve is given and limits also given, how to find the area of the region. So first formula is integral over the area of the curve y is equal to f of x within the limits x equal to a and x equal to b. The formula is integral over area of the curve capital A is equal to integral over a to b f of x dx. And the second formula is you have to find the region of the curve x equal to f of y within the limits y is equal to c and y equal to d. The required area of the curve capital A is equal to integral over c to d x dy or f of x into f of y into dy. So using these two formulas, you have to solve the given assignment problems. So I hope you are understood. If you are any doubt, comment on this session. Thank you everybody. So we will meet in next session. Thank you.